Hi everyone. Well, it's been a little while since I've picked up the camera, although only a few days ago since I think I uploaded a video. But life has just been really hectic. I'll open the lid because little Archie is out at the moment because I'm just getting the time to stop. I've done Oscars and now it's Archie's turn. Now, just an update really on what's been going on around here. Hello you. Hello you. What are you doing? Can everybody see you? Have I got the camera pointed in the right place? I think so. But I think I've mentioned that my daughter and my grandchildren were going to move back in with me, and that's exactly what's been happening for about 4 days, 5 days or so. That's pretty much all I've been doing, is rearranging, moving things around, getting things organized. Now, I've given up my bedroom for my daughter and the 2 boys because my bedroom was much bigger, which means I don't have my ensuite anymore. So I kind of have to juggle it and get in and have my shower and everything before my little 2-year-old grandson jumps into bed. But the change, guys, has been, it's not about, the kids moving in, that's all wonderful and great. But they were kind of like, this room being, as you know, my snake room as it is, and Lily is not out yet. And it is 1:30 in the afternoon. Very unusual for Lily. But she's sort of been hanging in there. Even if she came out, it wouldn't bother me because she would end up just going up to a hangout spot, and that's what she generally does, is heads there and stays there. So today I'm finally getting the opportunity to clean out enclosures. Amaya I did last night, Lily's is done, Oscar's, and now I've just finished Archie's, so he is looking at being able to go back into his, but I thought I would show you him before I actually do put him back. And right, but I'm just moving around you at the moment, okay? We'll just move around and get a good shot of you up here. What do you think? Hey? Mum is generally holding you, isn't she? Well, not really, because he's generally on his jungle gym. Hey, you going to come out? You going to come out and come for a climb up? No? Oh, I just want to show everybody the big changes around here. But I refuse to allow anything in my snake room in terms of my colours and the things that I like and the things that I enjoy. I'll just put the lid on, guys. I don't particularly want to come back and find that Archie has decided to go for a little bit of a wander around the place. And we're getting darker, of course, and I need this space for Car, Tessa, Oscar, and of course Archie is over here. So this kind of area running along here is mine, and I've said do not touch. Well, my kitchen has become different, like really different, and you may see from other videos just how different my kitchen is. And then we move over into the lounge room, which is very different as well. The two other birds have gone outside under the back veranda because it's warmer now, and that's okay for them. But you know, my daughter's lounge is in here, and my dog isn't supposed to be up on her couch. But yeah, so pretty much it's all Chase's gear. I am going to clean out and redo my fish tank, so that'll be a new project for me once everything is settled in. Of course, she's bought her furniture and TV, and I've persuaded her to not take my paintings down, but she don't like them. But anyway, oh, and that colourful one has stayed there thus far. They actually have to be hooked up and put in their proper place, but I'll get that done as well. And yeah, laundry is kind of what it is, and I have to be quiet because my grandson's asleep and I don't want him to wake up yet. But I've gone from in there to in here. So let's put a little bit of light on. That flickers for a minute or two and then it stops, but this is where I've still got my colour going on. Love that painting. So yeah, lots and lots, sorry I'm whispering here, lots and lots and lots of changes. So I kind of walk into my house and go, is this my house? Really, is this my house still? And I'm standing firm on so many things that I just will say, no, that's not going, no, that's not happening. Most of my stuff has and will be, well, you will see. Well, you can't really see, but it's out the back because it's going into storage. I refuse to sell it all and then at some stage have to replace it. I'm not doing that. And you know, I might be saying there's lots of changes happening here and have happened here, but there is a bonus side to it, and that is I get to see Noah and Chase every day. I get to give them a kiss, good morning. I get to give them a kiss when they go to bed at night. I get to wish Noah have a wonderful day at school today, and they are all very, very much bonuses to me to see my grandkids every day. So yeah, they keep me on my toes and they keep me moving, they keep me busy, don't they, Arch? What do you think? So I haven't done very much with my snakes over the past few days due to the fact the big changes. Of course, Sunny is still remaining in my room and she was out for a good couple of hours this morning. And then I went, no, it's the snake's turn. Snake's turn to have a little bit of my attention, and they all get a nice meal tonight. And of course the only one that isn't eating is Lily at the moment. Archie, I find it so difficult to focus on you. I haven't got some fandangled camera and I have one hand, so even if it was manual and I could change things, it's virtually impossible really to do. So let's go very briefly. We'll put Archie back home because I do have to keep moving while I can move before, like I said, my grandson decides it's time to wake up and demand some of Nana's attention. So, you're going to go in there? I'm sure you will. No, you won't, will you? You want to come back out again? Ah, he does. Oh, sorry, you can't even see, but he doesn't really want to go home, and that's pretty typical of my snakes. Come on, this way. Oh, sorry, if I haven't. He's got his head crooked around the door, and I can't get him. There you go, darling. I would love to spend a little bit more time with you, but Mum's got, he so does not want to go home at all. So I'm going to pretty much, yeah, click off the camera and get him back out again, actually, guys, and give him extra time out with me today. As I said, I've not really done a lot with any of them. I do not know why Maya's light has not turned on, but it should have. And dark and all, sorry, but feeding day for all my snakes, but Lily, as I was saying, who isn't eating anyway. But that's about it, guys. Just an update, catch up, let you know I'm still here. I know I haven't been watching very many videos. I just have not really had the time to do. There's a Maya hiding down there. Well, she's not hiding, but yeah, all her enclosure is nice and clean. And oh, is she? Certainly needs hers cleaning. And I think she's down there in her hide. So I'm going to have to disturb her. So guys, before I go, let's say hello to my sunny girl. Now see, she's saying, open the door, Mum. Can you open the door for me, please? Which I can't. I know, I'm sorry. Really sorry. Maybe a little bit later I'll let you out. What do you think? I can't reach you because those little holes aren't big enough for me to bat you through. Anyway, guys, take care of yourself, your family, your friends, your snakes, and all your animals. Ciao.